Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy chili potato. First, take 2 large potatoes and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Next, boil these potato cubes for about 5 minutes until they are slightly tender but still firm. After boiling, make sure to drain all the water thoroughly and pat the potato cubes completely dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture later on. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry your dried potato cubes until they turn beautifully golden brown and crispy. Set them aside. In the same pan, with a little less oil, sauté 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Then, add about 1/2 cup of finely chopped onions and cook them until they become soft and translucent, forming the aromatic base for our delicious gravy. Next, let's prepare our rich gravy. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of water, mixing until smooth. Pour this into your pan with the cooked onions. Stir in 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for that perfect spicy kick, mixing well. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slightly. Once it reaches your desired consistency, add the crispy fried potato cubes back into the pan, tossing them gently to coat evenly with the flavorful gravy. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped spring onions. Serve your delicious gravy chili potato hot and enjoy. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.